Today I am going to show how to create a new user in Ubuntu. First of all, you have to open your terminal. So type sudo add user and your new user name. I'm going to use a new user. Okay, now you have to enter your password, your login password. So sometimes it works, sometimes this thing we have to do this. Here you can see use the force bad name option to relax this check or reconfigure name. So then we have to change in here, type that command force bad name, press enter. Okay, now you have to enter password for new user. You can type any password. You have to set a full name. I'm going to set new user. You no need to set these details. Press Y, yes. Okay, new user is created. Now I'm going to show. Now I'm going to log into new user. You have to log out. Log out. This is our created new user. Now I'm going to log into new user. Okay, this is our created new user. This is how to create a new user using Ubuntu. So please like this video, please comment and share, please subscribe my. Hey guys, today I am going to show how to change created users username. So now I'm going to open my terminal. So I'm going to create a new user, add user, and you have to put a username. I'm going to put user 01. Okay, sometimes is work, sometimes you have to change. In here you can see use the force bad name option to relax this check or reconfigure name. You have to change in here, put a space, type force bad name. Okay, press enter. Now you have to set a password. It's not match. Okay, you have to set full name. I'm going to put user 1. You no need to set all details. Is this information correct? Press Y, yes. Okay, user is created. Now I'm going to change this user created user username. You have to type sudo usermod, keep a space, -l, and you have to set a new name for this user, new user 1. Next you have to put old that created username, press enter. That user name is changed. So you can check this if you want. You have to log out and you have to again log into that change user. This is how to change created username. So I hope now you can do this, and please like this video, please comment and share, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Today I am going to show how to delete created user. So you have to open your terminal. I'm going to create a new user. type sudo add user. You have to put a username. I'm going to use a new user. You have to enter your login password. Sometimes it work, sometimes you have to change some word. You can see here, use the force bad name option to relax this check or reconfigure this name. I'm going to put in here, keep a space, force bad name, press enter. Yeah, new user already in, then you have to, I'm going to change it to user 1. okay, now you have to set a password. I'm going to set you can set any password. okay, I'm going to set full name user 1, room number. You no need to set all details. Is this information correct? Press Y. Yes, this user is created. Now I'm going to delete this user. You have to type sudo delete user. You have to type that created username user 1, press enter. Removing user 1, there is has no more members in user 1. This is how to delete that created user. So I hope now you can do this. Please watch that previous video for how to create a new user and how to log into that created new user. So thank you, and please like this video and comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Okay guys, today I'm going to show how to create a new file in Ubuntu. You have to open your terminal. Actually you can create any type of file like txt, php, etc. So I'm going to create a new file, vi file dot, I'm going to create a text file dot txt. Press enter. So if you want to type something, you have to first of all you have to press insert button in your keyboard. After that you can type anything you want. So after that you want to save this file, you have to press escape button, double colon WQ and press enter. If you want to open this file, you no need to again type this command. You can type cat file dot txt. You can see that details in file. This is how to create a text file. Now I'm going to create a PHP file. You only need to change in here, type PHP, press enter. Now you can create a PHP code. Again you have to press insert button and type your code. If you want to save, press escape button, WQ and press enter. This is how to create a new file. So I hope now you can create a new file, and please like this video, please comment, share and please subscribe my channel. So thank you. Today I am going to show how to rename created file. Go to your terminal. You have to create a new file. I'm going to create a file dot, I'm going to get a txt file. Okay, press enter. If you want to type something, you have to put press insert button in your keyboard, and you can type anything you want. and press escape button and colon and WQ and press enter. After that I'm going to check it, press ls. You can see in here the created file. Now I'm going to rename this created file. Press mv-v. You have to type that created file name and you have to type new file name. I'm going to new file, press enter. File.txt, you have to press txt. Okay, rename file txt to new file txt. Press ls. You can see it's changed to new file. This is how to rename a file. So I hope now you can do this, and please like this video, please comment and share, please subscribe my channel. So thank you. Today I am going to show how to hide and unhide created file. Go to your terminal, create a new file. I'm going to create a new file .txt. Press enter, and now I'm not going to type anything in here. If you won't type anything, press insert button and in your keyboard. After that you can type. If you want to save this, press escape button, colon and WQ and press enter. You can check it, cat new file .txt. You no need to open that file. You can see. So now I'm going to hide this file. If we type ls, you can see that created file in here. Now I'm going to hide this file. Type mv, press new file .txt, put a dot. After that type again new dot file .txt. Press enter, press ls. You can see there is no any created text file. This is how to hide. Now I'm going to unhide this file. Again this command you have to change in here. You have to put a dot in here. Press enter, press ls. You can see that hide file. This is how to unhide that hide file. So now I hope you can do this, and please like this video, comment, share, and please subscribe my channel. So thank you. Okay guys, today I'm going to show how to delete created file. Go to your terminal, type vi file dot, I'm going to create a txt file, press enter. If you want type something, you have to put you have to press insert button. After that you can type anything you want, and if you want to save it, press escape button, colon and WQ, press enter. So press ls. You can see that created a text file. Now I'm going to delete that created file. Press rm-r, type that created file .txt, press enter, press ls. That file is deleted. So this is how to delete created file. So I hope now you can do this, and please like this video, comment and share, please subscribe my channel. So thank you.